So we're back again to do so you know me, I'm Jeremias Leoptale. So today I'm going to demonstrate on how to measure resistance, current, and voltage. So we're going to measure our resistance. So we have here R1, R2, and R3. But before we proceed, make sure that your multi-tester is calibrated. So first we're going to do is make sure that your rinse liter is in the ohms and tip both of the test probe, and make sure that the needle or the pointer point to 0 ohm. So now that the pointer or the needle is pointing to the 0 ohm, now we're going to start our measuring of our resistance. So first we're going to do is the resistance 1. So it doesn't work, so we're going to adjust our ohms to 1k. So as you can see, our resistance is 18. So 18 times 1k is 18k. So that's how to measure, and do that also into the R1 and R3. Already connected our 3 resistor to our 9 volts battery. Now we're going to switch our selector range to DCV, which means direct current voltage. So we're going to use the 10 because our volts is 9 volts. So 10 is the nearest of 9 volts and higher. So let's start. Now we have here 2.5 volts for our R1, and the next is, now we have here is 1 volt, and the last is 1 volt. Now we're going to measure our current. So I'm using 0.5. So we use the same number of 0.5 in the three of them is 50. So we're going to turn our 50 into 0.5 so that we can read it easily. It's like 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, and so on and so forth. And now so the wire that we're going to use is the black wire, so which means this is negative. So we're going to use the black test probe. So now it's going to start. So our milliampere is 0.5. So that's how we're gonna do to the other remaining two.
Life goes on and on and on.